Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 4 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Have you ever met someone new, said hello, and then silence? You want to keep talking, but your mind goes blank. You feel awkward, you feel shy. Well, today that ends. Today I'm giving you a secret formula to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere, even if your English is basic. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us every day for the next 30 days. Small talk is like a bridge. It's the simple conversation we have before we talk about important things. In English-speaking cultures, small talk is very important at parties, at work, or even waiting for a bus. You don't need big words for small talk. You just need the F.O.R.D formula. Let's break it down. F is for family. You can ask simple questions like, do you have any siblings? Or are you from around here? People love talking about where they come from. O is for occupation. This just means work. You can ask, what do you do for a living? Or how long have you worked there? If they're a student, ask, what are you studying? R is for recreation. This is about hobbies. Ask, what do you do for fun? Or have you seen any good movies lately? This is the best way to find things you both like. D is for dreams or days. You can ask about their plans. Any big plans for the weekend? Or simply ask about their day. How is your day going so far? But wait, asking a question is only half of the secret. To keep the conversation moving, you need follow-up questions. If they say, I like football, don't just say, okay. Say, oh, really? Who is your favorite team? Use words like why, when, or tell me more. This shows you are listening. Let's practice 3 starter phrases. Repeat after me. So, what do you do for fun? How is your day going so far? Have you been to this place before? Imagine you are at a coffee shop and you see someone with a cute dog. You say, hi, your dog is so cute. What's his name? They say, thanks, his name is Max. You follow up, how old is he? They say, he's 2 years old. Do you have any pets? You say, no, I don't, but I'd like to get a dog one day. Do you see? Simple, friendly, and no stress. Small talk isn't about being perfect, it's about being friendly. Use the F.O.R.D formula today. Episode 4 homework. Imagine we just met at a park. Write one small talk question for me in the comments. I will answer all of you. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling more confident. Tomorrow in episode 5, we will learn the power of actually and basically, 2 words that make you sound 100% more fluent. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. See you tomorrow.